Craving a delicious meal that's both healthy and satisfying? Dive into these mouth-watering salmon dishes that are perfect for any night of the week. Imagine a plate of ginger tahini oven-baked salmon and vegetables, where the tahini sauce doubles as a glaze and a drizzle, making every bite a flavor explosion. Or how about a quick 15-minute salmon and creamy orzo with spinach and mushrooms? High-temperature cooking speeds up the process, so you can enjoy this creamy delight in no time. For a vibrant twist, try the sheet pan salmon with sweet potatoes and broccoli, bursting with the flavors of cheese, cilantro, chili, and lime. Roasted salmon with smoky chickpeas and greens offers a brain-boosting dose of dark leafy greens and crispy spiced chickpeas. In the mood for pasta, the creamy salmon pasta with sun-dried tomatoes uses the flavorful oil to sauté shallots, creating a rich and creamy sauce. Salmon with lemon herb. Orzo and broccoli is a balanced dish where broccoli cooks right with the pasta, saving you time and effort. For a fresh and hearty option, the salmon and avocado salad combines tender salmon with red cabbage, carrots, and a creamy dill vinaigrette. Get the taste of sushi without the hassle with the salmon sushi grain bowl, ready in just 15 minutes for a quick and healthy meal. End your culinary journey with the roasted salmon rice bowl with beets and Brussels, a protein-packed whole grain delight that's as easy as it is satisfying.